Good morning, students. Welcome back to my class. Students, in previous classes, we started the next chapter of your English supplementary book, Footprints Without Feet, and the chapter name is also Footprints Without Feet. But students, in today's class, we will not go with the chapter's explanation because today's class we will discuss about the revised syllabus which CBSE has done from 9 to 12th classes. So you are in 10th class, so we will discuss about the revised syllabus of English, and I hope other teachers will also discuss with you about the revised syllabus of their subjects. So I teach English, so we will do the revise. I will tell you about in detail about the revised syllabus of English subject for class 10th. So today's class will be about the revised syllabus of English of class 10th. We will discuss it in detail. So students, as with due to the coronavirus, schools have been shut. Schools have been closed for almost 4 months. The students they have not been going to school for the last 4 months. So due to this, CBSE has revised, means they have deducted some syllabus. They have revised the syllabus, few topics they have deleted from your literature portion, from grammar and from writing portion also. So today we will discuss it in detail. So students, let's discuss it in detail. So first we will discuss about your literature portion, then we will discuss about your blueprint also, that what is your final syllabus now and what is the final blueprint for your midterm exams, 80 marks exams. So revised syllabus, student, I want you all to please note it down, and I will send you one PDF file after this class or maybe tomorrow, but you all have to note it down what we are discussing. So first we will discuss about your literature portion. So literature, you have two books. The first book is your English textbook, First Flight, and the second book is your English supplementary book, which is Footprints Without Feet. So first let's discuss about the First Flight book. First Flight, your English textbook. So what portion has been deleted by CBSE, I will tell you about that. So first you note it down. Your English supplementary book is First Flight. So the topics which are deleted by CBSE, they are as follows. CBSE has deleted number 1, the poems how to tell wild animals. This is the poem, students. CBSE has deleted this poem from your syllabus. Second poem is trees. This is also has been deleted by CBSE. Third is fog. This is also a poem. So this is also deleted, and the one chapter CBSE deleted from your First Flight book, that is Miss Bill the Orator, and this is the chapter. This chapter has been deleted by CBSE, and the next topic which has been deleted from your First Flight book is for N.A. Gregory. This is a poem. So CBSE is deleted how to tell wild animals, trees, fog, and for N.A. Gregory. These 4 poems and one chapter, Miss Bill the Author, from your First Flight English textbook. They have deleted these topics. So the remaining chapters and the poems we will do, that is your syllabus of First Flight English textbook. These topics are deleted. I want everyone to please note it down, these topics which are deleted from your First Flight book. how to tell wild animals, trees, fog, and another poem is for Anne Gregory, and one chapter, Miss Bill the Otter. These are deleted. So I want you all to please note it down. I am repeating once more for you. From your English textbook, First Flight, these topics are deleted by CBSE. There are poems, how to tell wild animals, trees, fog, for Anne Gregory, Miss Bill. These are the 4 poems, and this is the chapter, Miss Bill the Otter. So students, these are the topics which have been deleted by CBSE from your English textbook, First Flight. I hope you all have noted down. So let's discuss about your second book, English supplementary book, which is Footprints Without Feet. So let's discuss. Those who have not noted down, they don't worry. They will, all of you will receive a PDF file also. So let's discuss about the another book, which is English supplementary book, Footprints Without Feet. So the chapters in this, there are no poems. So in this, CBSE has deleted 3 chapters from this book, and the names of the chapter I am telling you. The first chapter is the 3rd chapter, The Midnight Visitor. The Midnight Visitor. This has been deleted by CBSE. And the second chapter is A Question of Trust. A Question of Trust. This is also deleted by CBSE. And the third one is, it is the last chapter of your English supplementary book, Footprints Without Feet, the book that saved the earth. The book that saved the earth. So from your English supplementary book, these 3 topics have been deleted. The Midnight Visitor, the chapter, they all are chapter, A Question of Trust, the book that saved the earth. So please note it down. In your literature portion, First Flight, I have told you what are the topics which have been deleted, and now Footprints Without Feet, I have told you these 3 chapters have been deleted from your syllabus. So we don't have to do these 3 chapters now because they are deleted from your syllabus. Please note it down, students. And now I hope that you all have noted down. Students, now let's discuss about grammar and writing. So let's discuss about grammar first. So in grammar, what topic CBSE has deleted, which we will not do now. The first topic is passive voice. Voice has been deleted. So active and passive voice, this is deleted. And the second one is clauses. Clauses, this topic has also been deleted. This noun clause, adverb clause, and relative clause. Third, which has been deleted, is prepositions. Prepositions also has been deleted. These 3 topics have been deleted by CBSE. In in your grammar section. So we don't have to do now passive voice, clauses and prepositions. The topics which will come in your grammar section, which we will cover, I will tell you about those topics also. Topics which are there. So number one is tenses, modals. We have done these topics before also, and we will do in this session also. So the third one, subject, verb, conquered, means subject verb agreement. The fourth one is reported speech. Reported speech, it will cover commands, second it will cover statements, and it will also cover question sentences. Commands means where we give order, command, request or commands. Sentences we will practice, statements, questions we will practice, what WHO and yes or no questions which we have already done. Now the fifth one is determiners. So these topics we will cover in your syllabus, and the topics which are deleted I am repeating it again. Number one is passive voice, clauses. Third one is preposition. These topics are deleted, and these topics we will cover. We will do in this session. So I hope you have noted down. Now let's talk about writing section. So let's talk about writing section. What has been deleted by CBSE in your writing section? The topics are, first, the story writing. Now story writing is not there. In your question paper there will be no question related to the story, that write a short story on the following topic on the basis of the given hints, or on complete the story like this. So story writing is not there. Article writing is also they have deleted. There is no diary entry. So students, these topics are deleted. So you don't have, you will not get the question of story writing or article writing or diary entry in 10th class. So these topics have been deleted. I'm repeating it again for you. Story writing from writing section, article writing and diary entry. These three topics have been deleted. And what I hope you all have noted down what topics are deleted from writing section by CBSE: story writing, article writing and diary entry. So what will come in your writing section now? Because these three topics are deleted. So what will come? Formal letter, and it will be based on situation. Based on situation, formal letters will come. Don't think that formal letters will not come. Formal letters will come. So formal letters will come, but they will be based on situation. Number 2, paragraph writing. Paragraph. One paragraph will come on the given topic, and it can be based on cues, hints, data type, chart type, statistics type. So paragraph will come and formal letter will come. So in writing section this will come. Literature we have discussed writing and grammar section also, what are deleted topics and what will come in writing and what will come in grammar and what what is your revised literature course syllabus also, that also we have discussed. So students, in next we have discussed about the syllabus. Now it is time to discuss about the blueprint, but for that I will come again in next video. I will tell you about the blueprint, that what is your final blueprint will be like. So in this class, that's it. Thank you very much.